Hey, what's up everybody? We got this sewing machine. This was actually broken. It didn't work quite good. So I think we need to pop this. I found it at the dumpster. It didn't have any foot pedals or anything. It just got 3 connections. So I thought, why couldn't I connect those 3 connections to 3-phase? That would be a great idea. Of course, one of the wires is for a light bulb and the other one for motor and one is neutral. So yes, we got 2 cameras plus this one. So we have a good documentation of what's happening with this. So this is meant to run on 100 to 220 volts. But now I'm going to put 400 volts into it from the variac. So let's see what happens. That's pretty nice. That light bulb is pretty annoying. It collapsed. And now I want to try it like this instead. Laying down. Maybe you can see the voltmeter. To walk away again. Let's put this transformer here instead. So you can stand still. That's a pretty tough swing machine. Oh, I think I spring just flied away from that. That's a pretty tough swing machine actually. It sounds pretty loud. I think my neighbors doesn't like that. Oh, I think I spring just flied away from that. That's a pretty tough swing machine actually. It sounds pretty loud. I think my neighbors doesn't like that. Let's have it turned on for a while and see what happens. The belt burnt off. No, actually not. You can see here the teeth actually got damaged. So yes, that's interesting. That was a pretty tough motor actually. The motor survived, the whole swing machine was pretty good. So I didn't expect that. It couldn't handle up to 400 volts. That's pretty interesting. That's a pretty nice swing machine actually. Now let's pop that light bulb. Here we go. Yes, let's have a look on this. It's pretty tough to rotate. I think something got pretty damaged in here. It's pretty tough to rotate this. So that was a pretty tough swing machine. I didn't expect that to work this good. The motor is still intact. I think the whole mechanic system in this swing machine got pretty beaten up. Yes, thanks for watching.